What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Milady, Memecoin fam, I am back with another video for you guys. I hope you guys are stacking. If you haven't gotten the bag that you're happy with, now is the best time to get in, man. You guys can see from the overall markets how bullish everything is getting. It's only a matter of time until meme coins start to bounce once again. And ladies will be one of those meme coins, I do believe. So yeah, buy the red, guys. Don't buy the green, the huge green candles. Don't be buying tops. Buy the lows, buy the red candles, and you know, DCA, get your bag stacked. But yeah, guys, always remember that these are meme coins that we're talking about. So manage your risk, guys, you know, but having some exposure to meme coins is still a great idea. I'm never gonna be like, oh no, it's a meme coin, I'm not gonna get into the project. Guys, we see the type of ROI that meme coins create. So that's why, you know, I gotta talk about some of them that I think have potential, some of them that I see could potentially do something phenomenal. So that's why, you know, I'm covering ladies on the channel, guys, and also yeah, doing my best to find any necessary information, anything that could, you know, show you guys like, look, this is a good situation right here. Even the partnership with DWF Labs, for example, this is a good situation. This is a great thing going on right now. The article with KuCoin, crypto.com, and its listing, right? Tell me how many meme coins are on crypto.com. Not many, right? So that's why I'm like, well, ladies got something, man. So it really depends. Remember, it's all about new money coming into the space. So until we start to get some type of bullish momentum in meme coins in general, or, you know, brand new retail coming into the space, you know, it may be some sideways or a lot of chop for the Milady meme coin. But yeah, guys, if you hold Milady, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video, make it go viral. And always remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose when it comes to crypto. So that's why I said, see what I talk about with our chop, right? We were making this uptrend on the 7 days, and all of a sudden, just to retrace back down, you know, we were making that uptrend and then retrace back down, man. That's how crypto is. It's super volatile, man. We're sitting at $24.9 million in market cap, 4.7 million in 24-hour trade volume. The volume is up. Normally when volume is up, you'd see like a positive price action, right? But for right now, it's a lot of chop for the ladies chart, guys, especially since Bitcoin was making a nice move, man. And all of a sudden Bitcoin just dropped. You see that? You see that, guys? When you come, it's clear as day, man. You compare the ladies chart to Bitcoin's chart. Look at that. Bitcoin was making its move, so ladies was following Bitcoin, and then boom, all of a sudden today everything's bearish again. Like, where did this retrace happen? What caused this, right? So yeah, we were making a nice move up. As you guys can see, ladies is the blue and Bitcoin is like the brown line. And they're basically in tandem, right? And when Bitcoin was going up, it was going to around $32,000. It was making that move to that price target. And then all of a sudden, you know, we were going up. We were in the uptrend, and then Bitcoin just decided to take a retrace on us. So guess what ladies did? Is following Bitcoin. Crypto Renegade, ladies getting boring. I'll give you a little more time to impress me. Hey, people are gonna start to get bearish on ladies. Universal, I'm bullish on ladies. Shout out to Universal. Crypto Crunch, I have to laugh at some of these comments. Doesn't anyone do their homework and just put out feelings? There was already a burn on, and the contract is renounced. It is what it is, so deal with it. Ladies is going to melt faces when it moves, when it makes its move, and no one except a select few know exactly when that time is. That is very true. The secret is simple: buy and hold for a rocket run like never seen before, and yes, it is coming again. Also very true, guys. You invest money that you're willing to lose in crypto. Now, you invest money that, you invest money that you're willing to lose. I said it right. Meaning that you're not gonna lose sleep over the money that you invested, right? don't go overboard. If you can't afford to put in too much money in crypto, don't do it. Because crypto is very risky and very volatile, right? So if you only have $500 to $1,000, right, you have that amount and you want to invest it in a project, you're like, okay, even if it's a meme coin, I'm happy. I'm okay, not happy, but I'm okay with losing $500. I'm not gonna lose sleep over it. You invest it into ladies, it's two ways it goes. It either absolutely crushes it or the opposite happens. But like I said, because of the price action, the facts are in the charts, right? You can see right here, man, on the 7-day, even on the 1 month, when Bitcoin is starting to get bullish, a lot of projects follow Bitcoin, right? So we were following Bitcoin, and now you know, we were starting that uptrend, but all of a sudden today it got a bit bearish, right? So I suggest some of you know-it-all bozos do your homework before commenting with stupid comments like I've seen here. From Ankara, ladies, some holders with very large quantities are dumping for profit due to early greed. Ladies should take some action to limit or lower this influence. Still, I'm quite bullish on future of this coin. Same here, man. Still very bullish. Peter, it's time to wake up and start running. We were just about to break out, man, but Bitcoin, Bitcoin, man. What did Mohit say? Do 99% of the supply burn and list on tier 1 exchange. Now, see, people are asking for way too much, man. Chris, the Martian, she runs like a track star. She wants to make a run for it. And that was the case, man, just a few hours ago. But yeah, as soon as Bitcoin starts to turn around once again, you know, you can't have up only. I wish there's a time frame, well, in the bull market it is, where things just go up. It's not as much retraces, because when it comes to crypto, it feels like, you know, going up is so difficult. but retracing or dumping is so easy. That's what it feels like, because we've been through this I don't know if you guys have been through the whole year, the whole time bear market, you know, seeing everything just crash and crash and crash. So now it's like, you know, we're finally getting into the stages of getting out of that cycle. But even so, when there's retraces, there's gonna be bigger retraces, but it's gonna get to a point where the upside and the pumps, you know, outweigh the retraces, guys. So right now you can see we're down 10.3% on ladies. And that, like I said, that's mostly because of Bitcoin. We were making a move, man. We were starting to go up, and then all of a sudden, Bitcoin, look at that. It was on its way to 32K, and then bang, it's coming back down once again. Why? I have no idea. Everything signals, you know, that we're supposed to be bullish, but you can't just go up forever. I wish leverage, if I could have one wish in crypto, I wish leverage could be removed. Most of the time it's because of leverage traders, right? So now a lot of people just went long. So guess what Bitcoin or the market makers are doing? They're liquidating all the people that went long, so they can liquidate them, and then boom, everybody's gonna start to short now, and then boom, liquidate them, and then it's just gonna be an endless aggressive cycle of people taking money from each other, man. But that's why I'm just spot. I'm always spot trading, right? I just buy and hold and wait. That's what I do, right? So I think honestly that's the best way to outpace people at trade. Just buy and hold, full conviction plays, and just wait, man. But yeah, ladies, eventually it's gonna make a bounce whenever Bitcoin gets back bullish. You're gonna see other altcoins start to retrace also today because of Bitcoin's retrace. But yeah, when we take a look at ladies Twitter, the beauty of ladies lies in its ability to inspire, empower, and transform. Love the memes all the time. Good morning, dear souls of ladies. May your day be filled with divine inspiration and celestial beings. Still got engaged, still got nice engagement going on. 7,000 views, 3,000 views on the tweets. We got the options trading that is live on Bit Crypto Exchange. We got some great things going on for ladies. Like I said, I've covered it, guys. DWF Labs, the cool coin, showing love, being bullish on ladies. A lot of things that are positive for ladies, but at the end of the day, the markets are tied to each other. They are correlated. The markets are correlated, right? So when Bitcoin, the king of crypto, is bearish, other projects get bearish. But whenever the moment happens where we're bullish for like months on end, watch out for ladies, guys. So right now, accumulate if you don't have the bag that you're happy with. Main City Empire ladies, this tweet, oh, May 10th, this was the 10th. There is no meme, I love you. He found the tweet. I gotta like and retweet this, man. 36.2 million people that watched this tweet. 36.2 million people that know what a Milady is, or you know, has somehow, you know, subconsciously now know what a Milady is, and of course the Milady meme coin. I told you guys, this is gonna be history, man. This is history right here. So that's why I'm like, I remember what happened with Baby Doge. It didn't happen right away, but eventually Baby Doge went straight to couple billion dollars in market cap, and I was like, whoa. I'm just gonna be waiting for the bull market, man. From Crypto Kerpik, different language here, man. Turkish, shout out to the Turkish community. Just bought some ladies, $500 worth of ladies, and he's diversified into other projects. That's what I'm saying, right? From Sausage, please pump ladies. Price prediction for 2025 for ladies. How many zeros you think ladies is gonna eat, guys? How many zeros will be eaten for ladies? I hit the 00. I hit the 0001. So 301 is my target. You know, you never know what could happen. People think that's impossible, but who knows, right? Who knows what could happen in the future? Just never know when it comes to crypto, especially meme coins, guys. But yeah, still super bullish on ladies. We're gonna see what happens here. I'm expecting a bounce after this retrace, right? We were on this uptrend. We were starting this uptrend, man. It was looking nice. But I'm expecting a bounce from here. We're gonna see, man. Ladies, fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Also, join the Patreon. Recently called a project on the Patreon that went 2x, right? So I let the Patreon only have one patron at right now. The first link is in the description to the Patreon. I let the Patreon know, hey, this is the entry. You could get out for, you could take your initial, which is because it's a meme coin that I shared. You could take your initial out because I gave them like a 1 mil, 1.2 mil entry. Now it's 2x. So now if they want to cover, to save them, you know, save their investment, they take out their initial investment because they're up 2x. So if they invested $300, they should be up around $600 or $700. They take their 2x. Take half the half that they put in out their initial investment, $300, and see what happens to the other $300, guys. Yeah, guys, I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier, my buy alerts and sell alerts, only available on the Patreon. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.